Hello students, in this video we will learn to apply a theme on Windows. We can change the appearance and setting of Windows desktop using the various available themes. A theme refers to a set of predefined background pictures, color scheme and sound. To apply a theme to Windows 10, right-click on the empty area of the desktop. A shortcut menu opens. Click on the Personalize option in the menu. Notice that the settings window appears. In the left pane, select the Themes option. The Themes screen appears in the right pane. In the Apply a Theme or Change Theme section, choose a desired theme. Observe that the desktop setting changes as per the selected theme. In case you wish to select a theme from the wider range, then click on Get More Themes in the Microsoft Store link. Be sure your computer is connected to internet in order to use this feature. In this way, we can apply a theme to Windows 10. Thank you.